I'm so bored. What should I do today? I know. I will call my friends to do a burping contest. Hey guys. Do you want to do a burping contest? Let's go to James's house at 5. Now that we all have our sodas, who wants to burp first? I'll go first.
I go.
My turn.
Okay, here I go.
Boys, wake up. How dare all of you come to my son's house while you four were grounded? James, go upstairs to your room while I take Jock, William, Cotton, and Jay home so their parents can ground them.
I'll see you guys on Monday.
Wow, no, why are you taking us home?
Because you guys went to my son James's house while you four were grounded. Here's your house, Jock.
Jock. How dare you sneak out of the house to go to Jay's house to do a burping contest?
We're so mad at you, mister. You're grounded for 2 weeks. Go to your room now.
Cotton, how dare you go to Jay's house while grounded?
You are grounded, so go to your room, mister.
William. How dare you go to a burping contest at someone's house without mom and dad's permission? You are grounded until 2015. Get your ass to your room, young man.
Now we are at your house, Jay.
Oh my god, Jay, you went to James's house when we told you not to.
You are grounded until December 19th.
Go to your room.
No.